Ever felt that nudge to buy something because the sale is ending soon? That's the power of countdown timers. These digital clocks count down to a specific time, creating a sense of urgency and scarcity around a promotion. In Shopify stores, you can add these timers to product pages, home pages, or sales landing pages to highlight limited time deals and motivate your visitors to take action before the time runs out. Studies by the Engold team show that a single countdown timer increases sales by up to 40% and conversion rate by up to 20%, simply by reminding shoppers that the offer won't last forever. Welcome to FoxKit tutorial by FoxEcom. In today's video, let's delve into the steps needed to add an effective countdown timer to your Shopify store using FoxKit Sales Boost app. Before you begin, make sure you have your FoxKit theme helper enabled to let the app work well with your theme. Then, in your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Apps, then click on FoxKit. This will open the FoxKit settings dashboard. Look for the Countdown Timer feature on the FoxKit's power list. Enable the feature by setting it to active. You can select a time in the future to have your countdown timer appear and start automatically when the time arrives. Customize the text displayed with the timer. This could be a simple "hurry up," "sale ends in," or something more specific to your promotion. Then, you can set a desired duration for your countdown timer. Choose the right type of countdown timer for your goal. Based on your choice of the countdown type, the ending point could be a specific date, meaning a fixed countdown timer, or daily recurring, meaning an evergreen countdown timer. Evergreen timers start counting down from the moment the visitor lands on your page and restart after reaching 0. They are perfect evergreen offers, such as a free trial, a discount coupon, or a lead magnet. On the other hand, fixed timers are the same for everyone and end at a specific date and time. They are ideal for limited time offers, such as a product launch, a seasonal sale, or a live event. Adjust the unit label displayed as needed. Choose which products or collections the timer will appear on. It could be some specific products, a specific collection, or all products. Set the countdown style you'd prefer, and your countdown timer is ready.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Now, let's get back to our countdown timer setup process. If you sell in multiple languages, all FoxKit features, including the countdown timer, can be localized directly in the app. Navigate to the translation section to translate for plugins to other available languages of your store. Once you've finished configuring the timer, navigate to Online Store Theme Editor to add the app widget for it. You can either add it as a block of your product information section or insert the countdown timer as a new section. While FoxKit's countdown timer primarily focuses on product pages, you can still leverage it on other page types in your Shopify store. After you have added the widget to the page that is not a product template, select a specific product to which the countdown timer is applied. Experiment with different timer durations and messages to see what resonates best with your audience. Consider A/B testing different countdown timer variations to optimize them for maximum impact. By using FoxKit's countdown timer feature, you can create a sense of excitement and encourage customers to complete their purchases before the timer runs out, potentially boosting your conversions and reducing cart abandonment rates. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching.